The Lenovo Legion Go S can potentially shake up the handheld gaming market. Its SteamOS integration could challenge the Steam Deck in terms of performance. If executed well, it might even push Linux-based gaming further into the mainstream. For some, purchasing the Legion Go S may be appealing, but should you wait for the Go S and Go 2, or go for a different handheld available right now? The Legion Go is Lenovo's first entry into the handheld market, and it brings a lot to the table. It has the largest display of any mainstream handheld at 8.8 inches, with a 144 Hz refresh rate, making it a great pick for those who love big screens. It also packs a Ryzen Z 1 Extreme chip, making it one of the most powerful handhelds out right now. However, its size and battery life are major drawbacks. Carrying it around feels more like lugging a mini laptop than a handheld console, and the battery life struggles to last long in demanding games. If you like to tinker with your treasure, you may find it appealing to install bazzite to improve both performance and battery life, but the experience may be hit or miss in many ways. The detachable controllers are a cool idea, but it may seem just a gimmick for some. If these drawbacks don't matter, then Legion Go with a discounted price can be a good choice. The ROG Ally X takes the Windows handheld experience to the next level. With a Ryzen Z 1 Extreme processor and 120 Hz refresh rate, it delivers smoother performance than the Steam Deck and competes directly with the Legion Go. Unlike the Legion Go, however, the Ally X has a more compact build, making it easier to carry around. The downside? Windows is still not an ideal OS for a handheld. It requires a lot of tweaking to get everything running smoothly, but it's the most powerful handheld with a beefy battery. Now to the OG handheld that started it all, the Steam Deck. Valve took a bold step by introducing a true PC gaming handheld running SteamOS, designed to bring the full desktop gaming experience into a portable form factor. It wasn't just about hardware. Valve built an entire ecosystem, optimizing Linux and Steam for handheld use, integrating Proton for Windows game compatibility, and more. The Steam Deck OLED is Valve's refined version of the original Steam Deck. The OLED screen is a major improvement, offering better contrast, deeper blacks, and more vibrant colors. Battery life is significantly better than the original Steam Deck. It's also got the best software support out of all handhelds, with SteamOS being fully optimized for handheld gaming. That said, it's not the most powerful device on the market. It can't match the Legion Go or Ally X in raw performance, but it makes up for it with ease of use and long-term support. It's the best handheld for now, which offers the best plug-and-play experience with SteamOS. The Legion Go 2 is Lenovo's attempt at refining their first handheld. It's expected to bring better efficiency, improved battery life, and a refined design. Lenovo might also introduce an OLED display, which would be a significant upgrade over the original LCD. If the bulkiness and battery life of the original Legion Go were deal breakers for you, the Legion Go 2 might be the answer. However, without hands-on reviews, we don't yet know if it truly fixes all the shortcomings of its predecessor. The Legion Go S is positioned as a more compact, streamlined version of the Legion Go. But here's the catch. The Windows version is actually more expensive than the original Legion Go, while offering less performance. That alone makes it a tough sell. However, the upcoming SteamOS version could be a different story. Reviewers have shown that installing bazzite on the Windows version significantly improves both performance and battery life, meaning the SteamOS variant could offer a much better experience out of the box. If you're interested in the Go S, it's probably best to hold off until the SteamOS version launches, rather than paying more for a Windows version that underdelivers. If you just want to game now, the Steam Deck OLED is the best pick for plug-and-play experience. Ally X is for those who want max performance with the biggest battery available, And the Legion Go is great for those who want the biggest screen and don't mind carrying around a mini laptop with a poor battery. But if you're willing to gamble on the next wave of handhelds, the Legion Go 2 and Legion Go S could be worth the wait. They might bring refinements that fix the issues of the first Legion Go, making them a better investment long-term. And as for Go S, only the SteamOS version can save it. If Lenovo play their cards right with Go S, it has the potential to become your next SteamOS handheld.
Restoring healing. Coffin sustained a direct hit. Sustained light damage. Durability decreasing. The outcome of this encounter is now unpredictable. Those repairs are as good as done. Okay, durability's partially back on track. Durability has been reduced. Should conduct repairs now. Reload interrupted.